If you want to know which products will actually outlive you, do not trust marketing departments or influencer reviews. Ask people who have owned the same item for 20 years. Ask grandparents what they still use from their youth. Ask professionals what brands they refuse to replace. These people understand something that modern consumers have forgotten. There are still companies manufacturing products designed to last decades instead of years. These companies are rare. They are increasingly invisible because they do not need aggressive marketing. Their customers spread the word through reputation alone. Today, I am revealing the only 5 brands that still manufacture products worthy of the Buy It for Life philosophy. The manufacturing philosophy shift. 50 years ago, product durability was the standard, not the exception. Companies built reputations on longevity. A refrigerator lasting 30 years was normal. A tool lasting a lifetime was expected. A piece of furniture lasting generations was standard. Then something changed. Companies discovered that planned obsolescence was more profitable than durability. If a product lasts 3 years instead of 30, customers buy 10 times more throughout their lives. The profit difference is staggering. So manufacturers abandoned durability. They optimized for cost reduction. They engineered failure points. They created replacement cycles. The companies I am about to reveal refused this path. They still manufacture for durability. They still build reputations on products lasting lifetimes. Brand number 1. Patagonia. Patagonia manufactures outdoor clothing and gear with a philosophy that seems insane in modern business. They design products to last decades. Their jackets, pants, and backpacks are constructed with heavy-duty fabrics and reinforced seams that survive professional use. Patagonia offers lifetime warranty on their products. If something breaks, they repair it free. If it cannot be repaired, they replace it. This warranty is only possible because their products are engineered for durability. Patagonia actually discourages excessive consumption. They run advertising campaigns telling customers to buy less and choose well. They offer a second-hand marketplace where customers sell used Patagonia gear. This contradicts everything modern corporations do. They profit from durability, not planned obsolescence. A customer might buy one Patagonia jacket at $400 and wear it for 20 years. A competitor sells cheaper jackets replaced every 2 years. The competitor makes more profit per customer. Yet Patagonia maintains this philosophy because the founder believes durability matters more than maximum profit. Brand number 2. Donner manufactures boots and work shoes in Portland, Oregon, using traditional construction methods. Their boots are stitched, not glued. The soles are replaceable. The leather is premium quality. A pair of Danner boots costs $200 to $300. Equivalent cheap boots cost $50. But the Danner boots function for 15 to 20 years with proper care. The cheap boots fail within 2 years. Over a lifetime, the Danner boots cost less despite higher upfront price. Danner refuses to use synthetic adhesives that degrade over time. They refuse to use plastic components that crack. They refuse to use cheap leather that cracks and peels. Professional loggers, military personnel, and outdoor workers carry Danner boots because they function in extreme conditions across decades. The boots do not fail. They do not deteriorate. They improve with age as the leather develops character and patina. Brand number 3. Leica manufactures cameras using precision engineering principles that seem outdated in digital era. Their mechanical cameras function without batteries for 50 years. Their digital cameras are built with magnesium chassis and premium components designed to survive. Professional photography careers spanning decades. A Leica camera purchased in 1970 functions perfectly today. Most digital cameras from 2010 are technologically obsolete. Leica charges premium prices because they manufacture with standards that cost-cutting competitors abandoned. A Leica rangefinder costs $2,000. A comparable digital camera costs $1,500. But the Leica will function perfectly in 50 years. The digital camera will be obsolete in 10 years. The technological standard will have changed. The software will be unsupported. The battery charging systems will be incompatible. The Leica remains compatible with century-old lenses and accessories. This is durability through engineering excellence. Brand number 4. Cast iron manufacturers, lodge manufacturers. Cast iron cookware in Tennessee, using methods unchanged for 150 years. Their skillets are hand-poured and hand-finished. They cost $30 to $50. They function for generations. A large skillet purchased today will be used by your children and grandchildren. Cast iron improves with age. The seasoning layer deepens. The performance enhances. The cookware never fails. Competitors manufacture non-stick skillets that fail within 2 years. The coating peels. The handles crack. The cookware is discarded. Lodge refuses non-stick coatings. They refuse shortcuts. They manufacture cast iron the way it has been manufactured for centuries. The upfront cost is low. The durability is infinite. This is the opposite of modern manufacturing philosophy. Brand number 5. Stihl manufactures chainsaws and power equipment in Germany using precision manufacturing standards. Their chainsaws function for 20 to 30 years with basic maintenance. Competitors manufacture cheaper chainsaws that failed within 3 years. They use metal components where competitors use plastic. They use precision engineering where competitors use assembly line shortcuts. A Stihl chainsaw costs $400 to $600. A cheap equivalent costs $100 to $150. But the Stihl functions across decades. The cheap chainsaw becomes garbage within years. Professional loggers and arborists carry Stihl equipment because failure is not an option. One broken chainsaw on a job costs far more than the equipment purchase price. Stihl manufactures for reliability across decades of professional use. This is the only acceptable standard in their philosophy. The common thread. These 5 brands share identical philosophy. They manufacture for durability, not planned obsolescence. They charge premium prices because they use superior materials and manufacturing precision. They refuse cost-cutting that degrades quality. They offer lifetime warranties because their products actually last. They build reputations through performance, not marketing. These companies are increasingly rare. Most manufacturers abandoned this philosophy decades ago. The 5 brands remaining represent the last bastions of buy-it-for-life manufacturing. Their products cost more initially, but the lifetime cost is lower because they do not require replacement. If you want to purchase products designed to last lifetimes, research these 5 brands. Yes, the initial cost is higher. Yes, you sacrifice some convenience features that newer products offer, but you gain durability, reliability, and ownership that transcends consumer culture. You purchase once, you own for life. You pass the item to your children. This is the opposite of modern consumption. It is also the original manufacturing philosophy. If you made it this far, subscribe. I expose durability, culture, and corporate deception every week.